here's the deal. We had this massive tech stack that was underutilized, no real prescriptive training and documentation on how it should be used and when it should be used. And because of that, there's tons of questions that come in around how does this work? How does that work? How do I do this? How do I do that? And so I'm like, listen, we can create screenshots and videos and we're never going to catch up. Or we can invest in a technology that would allow us to build libraries of tutorials that will address every potential scenario that comes up. And more importantly, give step-by-step guidance so a new rep that's coming into a company, or when we change something, like they could follow a tutorial, practice it a few times on their own terms, and actually be able to do their job versus like wait around for the 45-minute training that nobody's going to pay attention to. That was, and we had a lot of people we were hiring, even in those days. We needed to ramp, like my job was to make sure people were ramping up fast, knowing how to use the tools, knowing how to execute their job and navigate the systems to be able to prospect and be able to start booking meetings. Like iorad was a major contributor to making that happen because it was a shortcut in getting people comfortable knowing and learning and being proficient